In this session, let us learn about machine learning percentiles. What are percentiles? Percentiles are used in statistics to give you a number that describes the value that a given percent of the values are lower than. Example, let us say we have an array of the ages of all the people that live in a street. Ages is equal to 5, 31, 43, 48, 50, 41, 7. We have given some values. What is the 75 percentile? The answer is 43, meaning that 75% of the people are 43 or younger. The NumPy module as a method for finding the specified percentile. See, use the NumPy percentile method to find the percentile. See, by using the percentile method, the result returns this is 43.0. What is the age that 90% of people are younger than? See, by using x is equal to NumPy dot percentile is 90, the result is 61.0. Okay friends, this is the end of part 4, machine learning percentile. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning data distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.